So I lost the original clip of it, but it's a couple years old, so I guess it's time to do a new one.
Double dip, double dip, double dip, double dip.
Hey! Yeah! That means we're doing 2 boxes today. That's what a double dip is. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram, just those two, at the handle on your screen right now. Then I have a website. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com. Well, it's called Ransom Note Sneakers, but the web address, you understand. You can visit the website. These shoes from these boxes are not going to be on the website because I don't have time to clean them, but there's going to be some other stuff from other boxes. So check that out if you want. I want to say hello pals. Thanks for tuning in, appreciate it. We got 2 boxes to open, so we're gonna open them right away. These are from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed members-only beater box program. Awesome shop, check them out. So since we got 2 boxes, we got a box that's $4.25 and then we got a box that's $5.25. They each cost $40 to ship here to Chicago, Illinois for a total of $80 shipping. So that means all these boxes together was what? $1,030. So follow along with clearance. We're gonna be keeping tally of all the shoes I'm pulling out, so this should be pretty good. I'm gonna try and blow through these. Box number 1, let's do it. All right, again, this first box is $4.25. Don't expect any crazy heat in either of these boxes. That's not what that price range is usually set for. So, box number 1, no loose shoes. Let's grab this first shoe out. It is a size 11 Nike Air Huarache. No, it is not. This is a size 10.5 pair of an Air Jordan 12. This is the Chinese New Year Air Jordan 12 that came out this past year, I think. Nice little details on the upper. Apparently there's like some kind of, I don't know, it like strips away and there shows a different design or anything, but this is a really nice colorway. I'm not huge on 12s, but this is probably one of the better looking ones. It's got this like snake skin going on here. Replacement box, probably an 8-ish out of 10 condition. Size 10.5, Air Jordan 12, Chinese New Year. First shoe out. Shoe number 2 is a size 14. It's an Air Jordan 5. All right, this is the red suede Air Jordan 5s. They have replacement laces. Just black laces on an Air Jordan 5 retro red suede. These are in decent shape. They're not as faded as a lot of the red suede ones I've seen. A little bit insole wear. Big size 14. I have bad luck selling size 14. I know a lot of y'all are size 14 and 15 out there, but bottoms are very lightly worn. They just need to be cleaned up really quick. So, size 14 Air Jordan 5 red suede. Both of them have lace locks too. They just have these replacement black laces. It's kind of weird. Next up, we got a size 10.5 Air Jordan 14. Well, these are the Desert Sand 14s that came out like last year, I think. Yeah, there you go. Nice like fall taupe-ish kind of colorway. Suede upper. You can see the Jumpman is still fully intact inside of there. Very, very little wear on the bottoms, but this is a really nice shoe. Man, I really like the contrast of the tongue and the actual upper, and then the white midsole too. These are kind of cool. I don't know if I can fit 10.5, but I'm gonna try them on and see if I can fit them because I do not mind these. So Air Jordan 14 Desert Sand is your next shoe out. Cool, I don't really know what the value on those is, but good looking shoe. We have an Air Jordan 12 Retro Low in a size 10.5 with the original box, if the box is correct. Yep, these are the Wolf Gray Low. There's some Apple earbuds in here too. Gross. But this is the Wolf Gray Air Jordan 12 Retro Low. These are in okay shape, mostly suede upper. You can see the bottoms are barely worn, but the upper's in pretty okay shape. Just a little bit of signs of wear. Can't really complain. A little bit of dirt and stuff here that I can easily clean, but you can see there's not much insole wear, so that's good. So 10.5, good size. I don't know, lows are hit or miss. Might be okay because it's summertime. I mean, lows are better in summertime, so. 10.5, Wolf Gray, 12 lows. Cool. Got 2 more in this box. I'm glad they all have boxes. This next one up is a size 10.5 Air Jordan 11 Retro. Pair of Concords, maybe? Nope. This is the, what are these called? Platinum Tint Air Jordan 11 Retro. I've not seen these before. So, where there would be patent leather, it's this really, really low pile suede or nubuck. I can't tell. A little bit of insole wear. Not too bad. This is actually a pretty nice shoe. I do not mind this. It's got that kind of milky outsole, not much wear either. This is a clean colorway. This is another pair I've not seen in hand, so don't hate them. I probably wouldn't wear them. They're not my size anyway, but 10.5, decent size. Air Jordan 11 Retro Platinum Tint, I think, with the original box too. We got one more in here. I can tell what it is. It just depends on what size it is. It's an Air Jordan 1 in a size 14. This This is a pair that I don't know why it didn't really take off. It took some time, but it does come with a dust bag. The dust bag is right here, and it's got secondary leather laces, so that's pretty cool. Oh, this is a Sole Supremacy pair. These were actually at their store, so you know it's easy 9 out of 10 condition. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. It says Wings, obviously, because these are the Wings 1s. It has this like kind of copper gold looking upper. These are extremely lightly worn. That's the nice thing about the shoes that Sole Supremacy has in store. I mean, you can see hardly any toe box creasing, no wear on the bottoms. Really, really, really nice shoe in really great shape. Just an odd size that I have problems selling. So there's your last shoe in your first box. This is an Air Jordan 1 Retro Wings in a size 14. That takes care of box 1. Blah. That first box was $425 and this box is $525. And this box has no loose shoes either. That's awesome, cool. So no loose shoes to deal with in either of these boxes. That's really good. First shoe out of the $525 box is an 8.5 Air Jordan 10. Ooh, this is a lightly worn pair. Why am I blanking? Oh, these are double nickels. It's a double, it's an Air Jordan 10. This is called double nickel. I mean, this is actually a really clean colorway. I don't mind it at all. Usually I don't like shoes with a black midsole like this unless there's some drastic contrast on the upper, and that's definitely what these have. You can see very little wear on the bottom, really, really good shape, a little bit of toe box creasing, but this is a nice shoe. I really don't mind this at all. It's an Air Jordan 10, size 8.5, double nickel, cool. Oof. I would have expected you guys to rip me apart for not knowing that. Next up, this is a size 13 Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, and that is indeed exactly what it is. This is a dead stock pair. It's an Air Jordan 11 Retro Low IEs. I think this is called the Zen colorway, or it doesn't say IE on the box, but this is a retro of a colorway from like 2003 or 4 or 2 or something like that. But you can see it's got some like little vents and stuff on the side of it. So it's like an 11 retro, but kind of not. Just a little bit of differences, but this is a dead stock pair in a size 13. I don't know how much these go for. This is a recent release too, so probably not much. So size 13, Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Zen, I think. At least that's what the original one was called. Next up, we have another size 13. This is an Air Jordan 9 Retro. Statue 13s. These are very lightly worn, as you can tell from the bottom. Not much wear at all, not much discoloration. This is a really, really, really clean colorway. No issues on the midsole, just a tiny bit of creasing on the toe box. Yeah, these are in really solid 9 out of 10 condition. Just a size 13. A size 13 is another size I have a hard time selling, but you can see hardly any wear on the inside. I mean, these are probably worn once or twice. So size 13 Air Jordan 9 Statue is your next shoe out with the original box. After that, we have another size 13. This is a Jordan 6 rings. This is a worn pair. This is the Bread 11 or whatever. These are the Bread 6 rings. 6 rings are like kind of a mishmash of Air Jordan 8, Air Jordan 11, Air Jordan 12, 13s, whole bunch of stuff going on here. It just may have dawned on me that the 6 rings means it's the shoes that he was wearing when he won his 6 championships. Because there's lace locks too. Whoa, baby, we're learning. But yeah, these might have sneaky value, I don't really know, but they're really lightly worn and it's a pretty awesome versatile colorway. So size 13 Jordan 6 rings in the Bread colorway. Looks like we got 2 more in here. One's a 4 and one looks like a 5 or a 6. Let's grab the 4. This is an Air Jordan 4 Retro in a size 13. Whoa, okay, this is actually some pretty good, ooh. This is a good shoe. Very happy to see this in here. This is an Air Jordan 4 Retro. This is the Toro Bravo 4s. These are in phenomenal shape. I mean, you can see not much wear on the bottoms. There's a couple like little scuffs on the aglets and stuff like that, but man, you can see not much wear on the insole. These are in really great shape. This is an awesome, awesome shoe to get in this kind of a box. I'm not a huge fan of red shoes myself, but I know a lot of people like these. So size 13, again, kind of a tricky size, but really good colorway. Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo. Ooh, that might have been the quote-unquote money shoe. I love these low-value boxes. They're just so fun to open. This last shoe out is another size 13. A lot of 13 in here. It's an Air Jordan 5. Okay, this is a pair of OREO 5s with the lace locks, and these are definitely worn. I say definitely worn, I mean, it's because they're worn. They're not like beat up or anything, but yeah, you can see a little bit of discoloration on the outsole. Just needs a good cleanup. The cages are fine, the lace locks are fine. You can see the Jumpman is still hanging out in there, so these were worn very lightly. Just a size 13 is a tricky size again for me to move. Broken record Mitchell! But yeah, this box is really good. Size 13, Air Jordan 5 Retro Oreo. Cool, this is low pile suede too, nice. There we go, 2 boxes. It's gonna be a tricky report card, but we're gonna try our best. No, it's not gonna be tricky. Let's give it a report card. Let's give both of these boxes a combined report card grade. Let's give these boxes grades, or 1 grade for both of the boxes. We have 3 categories: condition, sizes, and value. Box number 1 was $4.25. There were 6 pairs of sneakers in box number 1, and none of them are dead stock. Box number 2 contained 6 pairs of sneakers also. The 11s were dead stock. So 1 shoe was dead stock. All of them have boxes and they're all in pretty good shape. So overall condition on these boxes, we'll say about a B-. Sizes, box number 1, 10.5. 14, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 14. Box number 2, 13, 13, 13, 13. Guess what, 13 and 8.5. Sizes are not good in my opinion. I'm gonna have a hard time moving these, so sizes on these boxes, D+. Value. I think box number 2 has crazy value. Box number 1 probably has some decent value. I'm guessing, I don't look these up until after the video is done. So value, my guess would probably be about a B+. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of D+ for sizes, and the grade of B+ for value, these 2 Sole Supremacy beater boxes totaling $950 get a letter grade of B-. So I graded both of these boxes combined as B- altogether, but let's look at the numbers and see what's going on here. It's gonna be really long. It's gonna have 2 boxes.
Big down!
I love doing these double dips, especially when it's low tier boxes like this. So again, none of these shoes are gonna be available on the website today. I just don't have the time to clean them yet, but they will be up next week for sure. All the shoes from the $800 Sole Supremacy and the $800 request box will be up for sure today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope everyone had a really good holiday. If you're enjoying this video, cool. If you're not, cool. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you soon. Have a good rest of your weekend. Till then, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.